Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view safe passwords on your Google Chrome. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Then on the top right, there are three lines. Tap on these three dots and you need to tap on this settings. When you are here, you can see this left side menu bar. You have to tap on this autofill and passwords. Click on autofill. As you can see, on the top you can see there is Google Password Manager. Just tap on this Google Password Manager and this is our all application safe passwords on our Google Chrome. For example, we have this website. Click on it and we need to add my laptop password if you have. Then guys, this is the username and the password. The website, if you want to go on the website, you can easily see the password. If you want to show the password, you can click on this eye icon and you can see your password as well, or you can copy the password as well to share it with anyone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.